Vanishing point is excellent way to paste a photograph into another one in order to match the perspective. I am going to click select all this image, select all in order to copy this image to clipboard. Choose edit and copy. I am going to open Iceland image, iceland.pst, and choose open. Now I want to add a new layer, so I click this new layer icon and add a filter. Go to filter menu and vanishing point. Now I want to create a plane using create plane tool. Click it. Now add a point here, top of the roof, and select this point. The corner, I make another point here and here. Now the plane was created successfully. Now I want to extend this plane into another side, holding Ctrl key in the keyboard and drag the plane into another side. Now I extend the plane into another side. Now I can select all of the side perspective. Now I am going to paste that image I already copied to the clipboard. So Ctrl V, the image was pasted, and tap T key to transform it. Now I want to resize the layer, shift click and drag the corners. Now I want to match this perspective, so holding shift key and drag over to this plane. Now this image fit perfectly to this plane. Now I extend this image to another side by this point. In order to apply these changes, I click OK. Now I want to make some realistic manner, so I change this blend mode into hard light. I want to hide the window from this portion of this image, so I toggle off the visibility of this layer and I select polygon lasso tool and making the selection of this area. And I choose elliptical marquee tool and shift click and drag over this circle. Now I want to select another one also. Now circles and windows are selected. Now I toggle on the visibility of this layer and holding Alt key on the keyboard and click layer mask icon. Okay, now I think you did understand you can create 2D perspective image using vanishing point in Photoshop. Thank you. See you next lesson.